What if the biggest threat to your pregnancy isn't a medical condition, but the very system designed to protect you? And what if the secret weapon to bypass it all is AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to leverage AI to predict potential complications, find the safest care environments, and understand your medical information like never before. We'll explore specific tools, how to use them, and most importantly, how to partner with your care team to ensure your voice is heard and your health is prioritized. I'm Dr. Tiffany Woodus. I'm a board-certified OB-GYN with 20 years protecting Black maternal health. I've seen firsthand how crucial it is for women to be informed and empowered. And I believe AI, when used correctly, can be a game changer for your pregnancy outcomes. Let's start with how AI acts as your personal early warning system, helping you understand what's happening to your body even before you step a foot into your doctor's office. So the first tools we'll explore are AI-powered remote monitoring devices. These are smart blood pressure cuffs, glucose monitors, those types of tools. Now, the goal here is to track vital signs and identify concerning trends that might indicate complications like preeclampsia or gestational diabetes, and often weeks before symptoms become obvious. These are often FDA-approved devices that sync with an app on your smartphone. Your doctor might even be able to prescribe one for you. You want to look for brands that offer secure data sharing with your healthcare provider. The key here is consistent use and understanding the trends the AI highlights. In fact, I put together a list of these tools. DM me the word AI on Instagram, and I will send you that curated list. The next tool I want to highlight are our large language models, or LLMs, for personal research. Now, sis, this is what you're used to hearing about: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, all of the things. The goal here is to quickly search for reliable information on pregnancy topics to help you better understand medical terms that can be complex and to get a preliminary grasp of conditions that you are researching. Now, you always want to start with reputable sources. For example, I encourage you to create prompts like this. Summarize the ACOG, that's the American College of Obstetrics and Gynecology guidelines on preeclampsia in simple terms. Or try something like this. Explain what a placenta previa is at a 5th grade reading level. Always cross-examine, cross-reference this information with at least 2 credible resources like ACOG, the Mayo Clinic, or your own doctor, and never use AI for diagnosis or treatment advice. Understanding your body and potential risk is powerful, but what about navigating the healthcare system itself, especially when you're worried about bias? As you know, systemic bias is our reality, but AI can help us identify healthcare environments that are actively working to provide equitable care. Think of it as having like an AI-powered green book. I like that. I just came up with that right as we were recording. So the first tool we'll highlight is called the Earth app. That's birth without the B. It's IRTH. The goal of this app is to provide a platform for Black and Brown women to review and rate their experiences with healthcare providers and facilities during pregnancy and childbirth, as well as help others find culturally competent care. Now, you just look this up in your app store, download the Earth app. It will allow you to search for hospitals and providers in your area and read reviews from other Black and Brown mamas. You can also contribute yourself, your own experiences to help build this vital database. Now, the next app I found is called MaHME, spelled a little different. It's MAHMEE. This is a comprehensive care coordination platform that uses AI to connect all aspects of your maternal and infant care team. I mean, everybody from your OB-GYN, your midwife, to your pediatrician, your lactation consultant, and your doula to ensure seamless communication in preventing gaps in care. Think of this as like your AI-powered nurse navigator. Now, MaHME is often offered through healthcare systems or employers, so you'll need to ask your OB-GYN or insurance provider if MaHME is available to you. Again, it acts as a central hub for your care, making sure that everyone is on the same page, which is so critically important. Once you're armed with knowledge about your body and have identified supportive care environments, the next step is to confidently advocate for yourself. And AI can be your ultimate advocacy armor in those crucial conversations. This is where AI can truly transform you from being a passive patient to a mama equipped to take back control of your birth story. This is about using data to ensure that your voice is not just heard, but is actually acted upon. So for this, we're going to go back to our LLMs. So, ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, all of the things. And this time we're going to use this to help us interpret lab reports and imaging reports. This will help you understand the jargon in your lab results, your ultrasound reports, or other medical documents. You can actually input sections of your report. Now, you absolutely want to de-identify the information without any personal identifiers and ask for plain language explanations. Just copy and paste the de-identified sections of your lab results or your imaging reports into your LLM of choice and ask it a prompt like this. Explain what elevated protein in urine means in the context of pregnancy, or something like this. What are the potential implications of this ultrasound finding? Now, sis, remember, this is just for your understanding. This is not self-diagnosis. Always discuss these interpretations with your doctor. We are then going to turn your intuition and AI-backed observations into credible, actionable steps for your medical team. So instead of saying, I just don't feel right, you can go in and say, listen, my smart blood pressure cuff, which uses AI to track trends, has shown a consistent 15% increase in my systolic blood pressure over the last 48 hours. I'm concerned that this might be an early sign of preeclampsia, especially given the ACOG guidelines I researched. Boom. This type of language shifts the conversation from one that is subjective based on feelings, which are easy to dismiss, to objective data, which are much harder to dismiss. This is how you become an informed partner in your care. Now, this is what I want you to be aware of. AI is a tool. It is not a doctor. It is designed to help you gather information, formulate questions, but it cannot replace the expertise and personalized care of your medical team. Always communicate openly with your OB-GYN, your OB provider. Share the information you've gathered and ask for their personal interpretation and guidance. Your team is your partner, and AI helps you become a stronger partner on that team. So sis, I hope this video helped you to understand how you can use AI to improve your pregnancy outcomes. It is a practical, powerful tool available right now to help you navigate your pregnancy with confidence. It's about predicting challenges, finding supportive care, and empowering you to be the most informed advocate for yourself and your baby. Listen, if you found this information empowering, be sure and hit the subscribe button. We want to get this information in the hands of as many mamas as possible. And if you want personalized guidance to ensure that you don't just survive, but you truly thrive through your pregnancy journey, I invite you to book a birth and health clarity call with me. This is a complimentary one-on-one session that you can book by scanning the QR code on your screen if you're watching by TV, or clicking the link in the description. Together, we'll explore how you can take back control of your birth journey with confidence. Let's do the work together to make sure that your birth story is one of joy, power, and optimal health. I'm Dr. Tiffany Woodus. This has been another episode of the Black Birth Stories podcast. Stay informed, stay empowered, and keep your faith strong.
Want to go deeper? The conversation doesn't have to stop here. Join Melanin Maternity, our digital Black birth community, where you'll get expert guidance, real support, and a sisterhood that sees you. From live Q&As with birth experts to empowering discussions with other Black mamas, we've got you covered. Click the link in the description and step into the community you deserve.